This video is a practice from selected previous questions and answers for CATET Category 3 examination. Contains adolescent psychology, theories of learning and teaching aptitude. It's helpful to the applicants attempted to HST eligibility. Question number 1. At night, Gopi was woken up by some strange sound from outside the house. Though he couldn't make out what exactly the sound was, he assumed it must be wind blowing on trees and went to sleep peacefully. The cognitive process occurred in his assumption is A. Accommodation, B. Inductive reasoning, C. Assimilation, D. Deductive reasoning. Answer C. Assimilation. Number 2. The right to education of persons with disabilities until 18 years of age is laid down under A. RTE Act 2009, B. PWD Act 2016, C. UGC Act 1956, D. CU Act 2009. Answer B. PWD Act 2016. Question 3. Students desire to become responsible and self-disciplined and to put forth effort to learn is A. Internal motivation, B. Persuaded motivation, C. External motivation, D. Social motivation. Answer A. Internal motivation. Question 4. After watching the film Tarzan, Raju climbed a tree, swung from the branch and felt himself a hero. The satisfaction Raju had is due to A. Direct reinforcement, B. Vicarious reinforcement, C. Self-reinforcement, D. Natural reinforcement. Answer B. Vicarious reinforcement. Question 5. A morally matured person is controlled by A. Shame, B. Praise, C. Guilt, D. Fear. Answer C. Guilt. Question 6. The quality of a positive feedback is A. Specific on the demerits, B. General comment on the impression, C. Advice for improvement, D. Close in time to the performance. Answer D. Close in time to the performance. Question 7. Development proceeds from 1. Center to peripheral, 2. Head to feet. Answer A. 1 is wrong and 2 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2 is wrong and 1 is correct. D. 1 and 2 are wrong. The right answer is B. 1 and 2 are correct. Question 8. Nervousness, fear and inferiority are linked to A. Mistrust in infancy, B. Identity confusion in adolescence, C. Isolation in adulthood, D. Guilt in childhood. Answer D. Guilt in childhood. Question 9. Content, objectives and the types of questions of a test are related to A. Reliability, B. Objectivity, C. Blueprint, D. Consistency. Answer C. Blueprint. Question 10. Deferred imitation occurs when A. The infant has learned a mental structure, schema of the external world, B. The infant has learned to observe the mannerisms of the adults, C. The infant has learned about the cause and effect relations, causality, D. The infant has learned that certain things are related, coordinated space. Answer is A. The infant has learned a mental structure, schema of the external world. Question 11. Jija, who failed in the examination, justified that she failed because her teacher failed to remind her on time about the examination. Jija used the mental mechanism of A. Projection, B. Regression, C. Identification, D. Humor. Answer A. Projection. Question 12. Radha complains that she falls asleep whenever she sits for study. What would you advise her? A. Attend a motivation class, B. Take a health checkup, C. Take a good sleep and then sit for study, D. Wash face with cool water and sit for study. B is the answer. Take a health checkup. Question 13. Raju, who learned violin, is able to play guitar and flute as well. This means Raju A. is a gifted person, B. is a born musician, C. transferred his learning, D. generalized his learning. Answer C. transferred his learning. Question 14. Interacting with students and influencing them to achieve learning objectives is dash role of a teacher. A. Management, B. Leadership, C. Persuasive, D. Executive. Answer B. Leadership. Question 15. Bablu was frightened by a dog when he opened the neighbor's gate. Later, he is afraid to open any gate. Bablu's fear of gate is A. Natural response, B. Unconditioned response, C. Neutral response, D. Conditioned response. Answer D. Conditioned response. Question 16. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in men. Who is known for this statement? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Nitya Chaitanya Yadi, C. Swami Vivekananda, D. J. Krishnamurti. Answer C. Swami Vivekananda. Question 17. Ravi rolled a piece of paper around a ballpoint refill and used it as pen in the class. This shows A. Ravi wants to save money from buying new pen. B. Ravi is misusing a paper. C. Ravi is a wrong model for such mischiefs in the class. D. Ravi is thinking differently. D is the answer. Ravi is thinking differently. Question 18. Rajan knows his wife's phone number, but he cannot recall the number he searched and dialed from the telephone directory. These two explains A. Short-term memory and long-term memory, B. Long-term memory and short-term memory, C. Procedural memory and flash memory, D. Flash memory and procedural memory. Answer is B. Long-term memory and short-term memory. Question 19. Layla saw her husband standing in front of movie theater. Later, she accused him of going for movie without her. The assumption Layla made about her husband can be explained by which of the principles? A. Principle of closure, B. Principle of proximity, C. Principle of similarity, D. Principle of transposition. Answer B. Principle of proximity. Question 20. Majority of contemporary developmental psychologists believe that A. Personality is essentially formed by the end of infancy. B. Personality continues to be formed until adolescence. C. The shaping of personality continues during adolescence and well beyond. D. Adolescent development has very little impact on adult personality. Answer C. The shaping of personality continues during adolescence and well beyond. Question 21. Which among the following is common among teachers and counselors? A. Facilitating, B. Empathy, C. Disciplining, D. Evaluation. Answer B. Empathy. Question 22. Which among the following is not appropriate for students with different abilities? A. They should be admitted in special schools for special care and support. B. They should be provided appropriate supports and service in schools. C. They should be admitted in regular school with other students. D. They need the support of teachers with special training. Answer A. They should be admitted in special schools for special care and support. Question 23. Pick the qualities of a creative person from the following. A. Sensitivity and fluency. B. Fluency and rigidity. C. Rigidity and sensitivity. D. Fluency and conformity. Answer is A. Sensitivity and fluency. Question 24. Stimulus response model explains input for behavior as A. Drive, B. Organism, C. Stimuli, D. Response. Answer C. Stimuli. Question 25. Cultural expectation for male and female behaviors is called A. Gender roles, B. Gender identity, C. Gender bias, D. Gender typing. Answer A. Gender roles. Question 26. Which of the following about environment is not true? A. Environmental influence starts from birth. B. Environment is unique to each individual. C. Environment is the physical surroundings. D. Environment includes the thoughts and attitudes of others. Answer A. Environmental influence starts from birth. Question 27. Teacher as a social engineer means that A. Teacher molds students according to the needs and demands of the society. B. Teacher makes plans for the development of the society. C. Teacher is able to make change in the social systems. D. Teacher is a critic of the society. Answer A. Teacher molds students according to the needs and demands of the society. Question 28. A traditional instrument for assessing individual differences along one or more given dimensions of behavior is called A. Stethoscope, B. Periscope, C. Paper pencil test, D. Comprehension test. Answer C. Paper pencil test. Question 29. Reflection on one's own actions and making changes to become a better teacher is the result of A. Self-awareness, B. Self-concept, C. Self-hypnotism, D. Self-adjustment. Answer A. Self-awareness. Question 30. Which among the following is a learning management system? A. Flipboard, B. Moodle, C. Dropbox, D. Zotero. Answer B. Moodle. Question 31. Which one among the following is not necessary for effective learning? A. Activity, B. Interest, C. Result, D. Models. Answer D. Models. Question 32. Learning appropriate sex role is a developmental task in A. Babyhood, B. Childhood, C. Adulthood, D. Adolescence. Answer D. Adolescence. Question 33. An accuracy with which a test measures whatever it is supposed to measure is called A. Consistency, B. Objectivity, C. Feasibility, D. Validity. Answer D. Validity. Question 34. Co-scholastic areas such as performance in sports, art, music, dance, drama, and other cultural activities and social qualities are assessed in A. Unit and summative tests, B. Outdoor and stage competitions, C. Continuous and comprehensive assessment, D. Aptitude and skill assessment. Answer C. Continuous and comprehensive assessment. Question 35. Which one among the following methods promotes collaboration between teacher and students? A. Authoritarian method, B. Democratic method, C. Laissez-faire method, D. Indifferent method. Answer B. Democratic method. Question 36. Manu in LKG class is not able to write letters and alphabets legibly. This is because A. Insufficient practice from home, B. Lack of maturation of muscles, C. Learning disorder, D. Manu's skills are in different area. Answer B. Lack of maturation of muscles. Question 37. Plus curriculum is a part of educating the A. Hearing impaired, B. Mentally challenged, C. Learning disabled, D. Visually impaired. Answer D. Visually impaired. Question 38. Which among the following is not an activity of teacher as a mentor? A. Acclimatization, B. Role modeling, C. Listening and advising, D. Ear planning. Answer D. Ear planning. Question 39. Which of the following is not a product of learning? A. Attitudes, B. Skills, C. Maturation, D. Knowledge. Answer is C. Maturation. Question 40. Vygotsky's theory implies A. Child will learn best when she or he is alone. B. Collaborative problem solving. C. Individual assignments to each student. D. Not supporting a child in solving difficult questions. Answer B. Collaborative problem solving.